Matapos ang mga impresibong laban at panalo dito sa Pinas, ay dumayo naman sa bansang Thailand itong Pinoy na tubong Negros Occidental, ang binansagang striker na si John Michael Zulueta. Taong 2022 ay 4 na laban sa Thailand ang kanyang kinasahan, 3 panalo at 1 tabla. At noong April 27 lang ay muling nagbalik sa bansang Thailand si Kabayan para depensahan ulit ang titulo na Asian Boxing Federation Light Flyweight title. Ito ay kontra sa veterano na sa bakbakan, ang Indonesian boxer na si Silim Sirang. 33 anyos na ang kalaban at may record na 19 wins, 25 losses, 3 tabla. Habang 27 anyos pa ang Pinoy at may malinis na kartada na 14 wins, 0 loss, 3 tabla, 7 via knockout. Nakaschedule ang laban sa 10 rounds lang at ginanap ito sa Space Plus, Bangkok, Thailand. At gaya ng mga nakaraang laban niya sa Thailand, ay muling nagpakitang gilas ulit ang dayong Pinoy, isang halimaw na kombinasyon ang pinakawalan na nagpabagsak sa kalaban.
Well, whoa! Huge left hook there from Zulueta.
Silim Sirang! John Michael, the striker, Zulueta!
Ating balikan ang napakamaaksyong suntukan, Indonesian kontra sa dayong Pinoy.
Sirang, the challenger from high volume strikes. Jabs to the body. Up short. Good double jab. A higher win percentage. Good flow to the body there from Zulueta. Double jab. Straight right, just punishing him by going to the body. Clubbing right hand there from Zulueta. Good jab and left hook early on. Burley. Right hand lands there for Salem. Swing and the miss there to the body from Salam Sarang. But he did land to the head. Good jab early on, start round number 2 from. Good right hand again. Find the right opportunity. Jab down the middle from Zulueta. Right hand connects as well from Zulueta. There from Zulueta. And then just waiting for Salem. Whoa, great right hand there from. It is quite a bad cut, but it's not going into the eye of Zulueta. Double jab, a right hand lands there from Zulueta. Good left hook landed there from Zulueta, and almost left hooks. Bleeding going instead of stopping it. Swinging left hook. Good 1-2 there from Zulueta. Right hook lands though for Salem Sarang, and right hand down the middle. Salem, good right hand lands for Zulueta, the champ, and right hand to the body. It looked like it was a slip. Salem just trying to close the distance with a hard shot, and right hand lands from Zulueta, and he gets his man on the ropes. Going to the body and to the head here from. Good uppercut there, closing the distance, and body work from Zulueta. A hard haymaker to close the distance. Right hand lands there for Zulueta. Lateral movement from Salem, trying to land a left hook, but it doesn't land. And Salem shelling up, trying to get out of the dodge with slipping. Salem, can he hold on for another 10 seconds? Looks like he's going to just by a thread. And there you go, end of round. This is a title defense, so this is for the ABF flyweight title. Good body work again from Zulueta, landing the left. Good left hook, swing and right uppercut from Zulueta again, and left hook to the body. Right hand lands again for Zulueta, and this is corner telling him to throw the double jab. So good right hand there from left hooks to the body now, and that's it. End of the round. A fired up Salem Sarang and John Mike from Salem Sarang, clubbing overhand right from Zulueta. Right hand lands again from the Filipino. Swing and a miss from Pounds. We're at the halfway stage with every Goes Salem getting up for the second time. Siliatus looks like he's going to put him away, or trying to put him away at least. Overhand right coming in. Salem on wobbly legs doing the chicken dance, and that is it. Siliatus getting the stoppage. And Siliatus is going to remain undefeated.
Into the ring, Mr. Brickos, your winner by TKO, the red corner, and still Asian Boxing Federation Asia Light Flyweight Champion, Shawn Michael, the Striker, Zulueta!
Hi guys, this is Mark Magnifico Magsayo. You are watching Channel Manoy.